Dude, hold it up in front of him for a while. And he'll come and chase it. Dude, just hold it up in front of him. No. Hold it up like there, right above him.
Jules!
Hold it up right above him. Above him, and then it will attack like a shark. Ready?
Say up.
Up! Jump!
Jump!
Jump high!
Up.
Jump high into the sky!
That's a good boy.
Yeah.
Gotta praise him too. Come on. Up, jump up. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Up, dance around. Up, up.
That's why I'm like
Dance. Move your hand around. Maybe he'll follow it. Get it, Jules.
Yeah.
Get it. Get it. Bark.
Woof! Woof!
Roof.
Woof!
Where is it?
Julie.
Where's it?
Where's it?
Where's the treat? Videotape his tail wagging. Look at his tail. Oh.
This is really great stuff. Ooh, the tennis ball. Dude, wave it around like a circle and see if he follows it.
What are you doing?
Julius.
What is this?
Dude, get up.
Jessica.
Clyde, we're shooting.
Jessica.
Yeah.
Come on, get one. Get it. Get it.
Come on, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it.
Good boy.
Ooh, tennis ball.
Good boy.
Alright, we good?